My friend, if you're looking for a good platform to work with, a good platform that can pay you $5 to $15 on a daily basis as a beginner. So I present to you StateHela, a government registered business, and it's available in all countries. So what you need to join StateHela is just a smartphone, internet connection, and a simple activation fee that is affordable for everyone, that even students can afford it. So now let's get started on how you can earn in StateHela agencies. So let's start here with the trivia challenge. You can come here on trivia challenge, answer questions and get paid. YouTube earn, you can come here and then watch videos and get paid. You watch videos for seconds and get paid. TikTok earn, you watch videos and get paid. You get even the followers and likes for free on the ads. You click on the ads and get paid. Here you can claim your free followers, your Instagram followers. We have forex lessons, they are for free. If you're good at writing articles, you can write articles and get paid. Okay, we have the reels. You can see here the reels. Yes, you can get paid. The meta ads. We have Facebook ads, Instagram ads, all available for you to get paid. The movies are available there for you to get paid. We have the aviator, we have soccer, we have games. So these games you can compete, yes, and get paid. We have fixed bets. Okay, if you're good at betting, if you love betting, you can attend that betting and then get paid. Okay, we have spin and win. All right, so spin and win, you can go there and then you try your luck and then you receive your money. Okay, so my friend, and another thing with this business is, if you have friends to invite, you can invite your friends here. So and then you get paid. And then the most advantage thing with StateHela is you can withdraw your money anytime, anywhere you want into your mobile money account. So it's just that easy. Yes, we have 24/7 customer service. So you're asking, is StateHela a good business? Yes, StateHela is a good business. If it was a fake, you wouldn't have known about StateHela. So my dear, don't take too long, time waits for no one. Start now and then experience these amazing features with StateHela and start making money, start earning money on a daily basis. Thank you.